Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear beloved Huzoor.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Lutfiansha, and my question is: being a good Muslim, that is by praying 5 times daily or even contribute to chanda, sufficient? What is your advice to fellow members to make sacrifices for the good of the Jama'at?
So, are you Secretary Mal?
Come again, sir?
Are you Finance Secretary of the Jama'at?
No, negative.
See, this is the one, not only this is not the only thing. Yes, of course, you have to have firm belief. You should have firm belief in Allah Ta'ala. And then you offer your 5 daily prayers. A good Muslim should be to follow all the commandments given in the Holy Quran, all the do's and don'ts given in the Holy Quran. Follow them. Then you will be a good Muslim. And chanda is also one of the things. This is only paying chanda is nothing if you are usurping the rights of others. If you are not discharging your duties towards others, you are not discharging your rights towards others, and you are not helping them. Only after paying chanda you say, I cannot help any poor person. That is not enough. You are paying chanda for for spreading the message of Islam and Ahmediyya, and right, for literature, for MTA and other things, and that is an obligatory chanda for a person prescribed by and fixed by even Hazrat Muslim alayhi salatu wasalam. So some percentage of your income you sacrifice for that purpose. That is not obligatory. But apart from that, there are some other chandas, there are other sacrifices, there are some other goods, some charities, that you give some amount for some charities, for poor people, for needy people, for hungry people. And see, a true Muslim should realize all his duties he owes to, as I have already said, to his Creator and to his fellow being. So if you are doing that thing, then you are a good Muslim. Take, right?
Yes.
Okay. More sacrifice, you can see yourself that whatever sacrifice you are making, is it enough or not? Take this decision from your heart instead of getting help from outside. You yourself knows your inner self. You know and how pure your inner self is, and how much you are discharging your duties towards your Creator, and how much you are discharging your duties towards your fellow beings. So you take this fatwa from your own heart. Right? Okay.
Yes, Huzoor. Jazakumullah, Huzoor.